So in this session we will be looking at UI5 Inspector provided by Chrome. So this is a plugin that is provided by Chrome. So let us look at the agenda here. So what is UI5 Inspector? We will have an overview over that, and then we will just see how to download and install this UI5 Inspector plugin, and then we will just see what are the features of this UI5 Inspector, and at last we will be just concluding our session by just giving a simple example over UI5 Inspector. Now here, what is this UI5 Inspector? It is an open source Chrome development tool provided by Chrome as a plugin itself. So we could install in this plugin and we could run our UI5 application, and it helps the application developer to inspect, analyze and support that UI5 based applications. So it is supported for all the UI5 application. So it is supported only after 1.28 version of SAPUI5. And there are some key features like it inspects UI5 controls and review their properties, bindings and model, and modify the control properties, and on the fly see how it affects the UI5 application. Like if we have this object list item and we are just changing its properties, and on the fly itself it just changes all these values. And see, that is, it finds the relevant framework information for your OpenUI5 and SAP UI5 application. Now moving on to the next slide, which is to installation. So UI5 Inspector can be installed on Google Chrome using a particular plugin, that is UI5 Inspector itself. So this is the URL, you could go to here and just download this plugin. This is the plugin here, just click on install and this plugin would be installed into your Google Chrome browser. And now just let us just see the features of this particular plugin. So these are the features. There is this browser action. If this sign should be available, and if you just click on this sign, there should be a used SAP UI5 version. This is it. This is the version that here it is used, and it will also show what's new and demo kit also. So this was the one of the basic feature, and then we have. So this is the basic screen here. You could see here there is this object list item that is being used. So if I just right click on this and click on inspect UI5 control, so what will happen? Yeah, you could see UI5 here, this is enabled here, and you could see the control inspector, properties, bindings and application information. So all these are features of UI5 Inspector. Let's just see what are this control inspector. So control inspector shows the structure and all the nesting of SAP UI5 controls. So you have all these controls here, like here. So all are these controls here, and it is structured in a tree format. So this was the control inspector. Then we have this properties. These are the properties here. So object list item has this title, tablet pouch. So I have selected this particular object list item, and here if I just change the title to something else, it would this name would be changed. So this was the properties, and next is the binding. So in this tab you could also see the binding for a specific controls, and the number of binding is displayed in the parenthesis. Like just here you could see in the parenthesis there is binding, and in the parenthesis there is 5 written. So number of bindings are 5. And then we have the application information. In this tab you see the overall information of the application. For example, the exact SAP UI5 version that you are using, and the version of your browser, and the application URL also. And then we have this example, and with the help of a video I will just explain it to you, all these steps. First we are just running a simple application, and then we have this, we will run this UI5 inspector on the Chrome, and first we will just see all the controls and in the control inspector, and then we will display the properties of a particular UI5 control, and we will also see the bindings tab, and at the last we will just display the application information tab. So here I will just show in the video all these steps perfectly.
So let us look at the project where we will be using UI5 Inspector for Chrome. So this is our Chrome here. So and this is our project, demo project 2. Here I have listed this products in the sap.m.list control. So here I will be using UI5 Inspector to explain the concepts of UI5 Inspector. So first, if I just click on this, it would say SAPUI5 and the version we are using is 1.40.1. So this is the version of the SAPUI5 that we are using, and if I have to use the UI5 Inspector, what I need to do, I need to right click here and go to inspect, and here you can see UI5. So clicking on this, this will show me the UI5 panel. So since we are running UI5 application, this would be shown here. If some other web page would have been opened, then this would haven't been open, and it would have shown me a message that no UI5 application was detected. Since this is a UI5 application, we are getting this. So first you could see here control inspector here. So control inspector, in there are all the control listed here that we have used in our application. We could also filter, search any particular control that we want to search. So I will just here. So another feature is, if I just take over my mouse pointer anywhere here, so it would show me what all controls that it is indicating. So this text here, it is indicating this tablet pouch, similarly many other. So if I want to just get the control for this particular element here, I will just right click here and click on your inspect UI5 control. So this is the text that we are getting here. So this was the control inspector, and I will just show you again. If I just right click here and click on inspect, so this is the text that we are getting. So this is the property here of this particular text. So we could change this particular text accordingly, and we can add anything here. We could write here hello world. So this is one of the properties of UI5. We could dynamically change the value here. So this is changed, hello world is written here. So this properties, it would also show all the properties indicated here, and apart from that, it also shows all the properties that this particular control inherits from. So this particular control inherits from this SAPUI core control. If I click on this object list item, there is, so this is the list here, and we could see all the properties here. So it insert is false here, and width is 100%, and similarly many other. If I just change any of the one, it would also reflect here, but it won't reflect in the original coding, but here just for the practice purpose or experiment purpose, we could change the code here and see what it reflects here. So this was the properties, and then comes this binding. So list is already binded here. We could see one here, and here we could see the model is this, and the path that we have given is product set. So it is exactly correct. So the ID that we have given is model itself, and it is showing me one-way model. So there were two modes, that is two-way binding and there is one-way binding. So here OData is used, so it is showing me one-way binding. So this shows me all the binding information in the binding tabs. And then if we have this application information. In this tab we get all the information related to this particular application, that is simple general information like SAP UI5 version, what is the user agent, application, and configuration settings, and everything we are getting here. So this was one application of UI5 Inspector. So hope you understood the concept of UI5 Inspector. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.